Hi besties! Happy Monday! How was your Monday? What did you do for yourself today to make yourself happy? For me, I'm about to make a super easy 3-ingredient protein dip. So, when I lived in New York, there was this Mediterranean place. I love Mediterranean food. Anyone? Gyros? Just me? And they had this feta dip. I think that Cava, anyone? Cava, if you love Cava? Cava makes a, I think they call it like crazy mixed up feta or whatever. Love feta cheese. So this one, we start with Good Culture. This is literally the only cottage cheese that I eat. One entire container of Good Culture. And feta. I don't play about my feta. We get it at Costco. And then, now, here is the kicker. This Sweet Heat jalapeno, I got this from Trader Joe's. Usually, I just use regular jalapenos, and that is really good. You can add other things. You can add garlic powder, you can add ranch seasoning, add whatever you want. But for the basis, it's literally just feta cheese, Good Culture, and jalapeno in a jar. So I'll show you. Again, one full container, just open this up. And I don't know, are you a cottage cheese lover? I love Good Culture. I mean, I like cottage cheese in general, but Good Culture changed the game. So I went to the gym today. Mondays are hard, but we're not stressing. We're not stressing. And I had a good workout. So in here. And then honestly, do however much you want. I do about, oh God, I can't. I don't know why I'm playing with this. Get out of here. Oh, it's a new. Wow. Did I mention it's Monday? So I'm gonna put in, I would say maybe about half a cup. Oh, let's see. Not crazy amounts, but the thing is that this is a dip, so you do want this to be kind of thick, and the feta cheese gets you there. And then, so I tried this, a hubby tried this also, and this is delicious. This would be good on so many things. Tonight I'm gonna be making like a one-pot Mexican rice. I'll make a video for you, and so I'm gonna add about that much. Maybe a little more actually. A little bit more. Because I like it. I don't know. I like all flavor. And then here's the kicker. Gonna add in some of that juice. Yes. Okay. Now, then we go in with the boat motor. The Wazzy Wazzy. Wazz it up till it is smooth and completely combined. And then that's it. This is the consistency that I like. It's super thick, and if you don't like cottage cheese, that's okay. Again, that's okay. We're not stressing. You just wazz this up, it becomes super smooth. Literally, no one will know. Nobody's gonna know. How would they know? And this, so much protein, this keeps you full. And what I do is I actually just put it right back into the cottage cheese container, and I eat it out of there. And what do I eat it with? Hold on. Look how thick and, can you see that? How thick and delicious this is. Like, it's so good. It's so good. And I eat them with Wild protein chips. Now, these are made of chicken and egg whites. I know. Don't do it. These are so delicious. Listen, I don't eat things that taste bad. I might eat things that are weird now because of Courtney Cook, but I don't eat things that taste bad. These are so good, and they come in like buffalo, like salt and vinegar. If there's a barbecue, if there's a flavor you like, there is a flavor for you. So this is what they look like. Regular chips. And then protein on protein. Y'all, why is it so good? Why is it so good? Okay, well, this is just a quick FaceTime. I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna make the Mexican rice. And later, I did go and pick up butter pecan ice cream and saltines because we're gonna do those Courtney Cook ice cream sandwiches. Sorry, this is long. I talk too much. I love you.